I made a PlayStation 1 horror game for the ludum 53. First things first, gotta make a little PlayStation 1 game, so I used ps1. And then I've got models from Edge, and sounds from Edge. And then I threw them all in the project, applied some materials, and I have a good looking PlayStation 1 game. The theme was delivery, so the general concept was of a person going to deliver the final package of the night, but instead of it in the end being a negative thing, it's all positive, it's happy. So I sculpted out the train real quick using the train system, applied the texture, dumped some tree placing. Once this is all done, I made a simple character controller, threw the character in the level and gave them a box that they're going to deliver, and then I give the player a box that they can deliver just like you can deliver that subscribe button. And then I had to design the interior, which was easy enough, just using the models, and then a few horror elements like someone looking at the player and some jump scares.
I see. Oh, not. Fuck you. Fuck you.
After publishing, I had a few issues. Mainly the web build was broken. That was fixed easy enough. And then also the very first person to play the game found a game-breaking bug and uploaded it to YouTube. I fixed that, re-uploaded it, and we were all good.